Welcome to my channel, Escort School of Excellence. So, we were learning about hematological investigations. In the continuation of our hematological investigation series, today we will learn about chapter 5, that is iron profile and its interpretation. So, first of all, we see what is iron profile. So, iron profile includes serum iron, TIBC. TIBC is total iron binding capacity or transferrin. That is a protein to which iron combines and it is circulated in the whole body. And third one is transferrin saturation, means how much percentage of iron is combined to the protein transferrin. Fourth one is serum ferritin. It is the stored iron in the body. And now when to advise iron profile. Now, whenever you are suspecting iron deficiency anemia in your patient, you have to advise iron profile to diagnose the condition. Now, there can be three parameters on which you can advise iron profile. So, first one is symptoms related to anemia. If your patient is having symptoms related to anemia like weakness, shortness of breath, or easily fatigue, you first of all prescribe the first line investigations, what we already learned in our previous chapters, that is CBC or PBF. So now what we will get in CBC, second one is decreased TRBC, decreased total red blood cell count, or decreased hemoglobin, or decreased MCH and MCHC. Now next is PBF. PBF is peripheral blood film. What you will get in peripheral blood film, that is microcytic hypochromic anemia. And if you get these conditions in your patient, either the symptoms or the investigation related, you have to advise iron profile to diagnose the iron deficiency anemia. So now we come to the importance of iron profile. As we already discussed, it helps in confirming the iron deficiency anemia. And second one, it also helps in differentiating other microcytic hypochromic anemias. Now we come to interpretation of iron profile. So iron profile and iron deficiency anemia. First of all, serum iron. What is serum iron? It is the circulating iron which is bounded to the protein transferrin. Normal value is 50 to 150 microgram per deciliter. And in iron deficiency anemia, it is less than 30 microgram per deciliter. Next one is TIBC. As we already seen, TIBC is what? Total iron binding capacity, or it is the protein transferrin to which the iron is combined circulating in the circulatory system. That is normal value 300 to 360 microgram per deciliter. And in iron deficiency anemia, its value increases, that is more than 400 microgram per deciliter. Third one is transferrin saturation. It is the percentage of iron combined to the transferrin. So we can calculate it by the formula serum iron into 100 upon TIBC. Its normal value is 25 to 50%. And in iron deficiency anemia, it is less than 20% as we have the less iron in the body. Next one is serum ferritin. Serum ferritin is what? We already discussed that it is the stored iron in the body, and it is especially found in hepatocytes, that is liver cells or RE system. Average serum ferritin in males is 100 microgram per liter and in females is 30 microgram per liter. It is very less in females, as we all know that females are menstruating. So in menstruating females, it is 30 microgram per liter. And in iron deficiency anemia, it goes less than 15 microgram per liter. Some of the studies says that serum ferritin is the major indicator to diagnose the iron deficiency anemia. Here we conclude that in iron deficiency anemia, serum iron, transferrin saturation and serum ferritin all are decreased except TIBC, that is increased. Other than iron deficiency anemia, we have three more types of microcytic hypochromic anemia. One is anemia of chronic disease, second one is thalassemia, and third one is sideroblastic anemia. As we discussed that iron profile also helps in differentiating other microcytic hypochromic anemias. So let us see. Now first is serum iron, in which anemia of chronic diseases, that is less than 50 microgram per deciliter. And in thalassemia and sideroblastic anemia, it is normal to high. Next one is TIBC, which is less than 300 microgram per deciliter in anemia of chronic disease and normal in thalassemia and sideroblastic anemia. While we have seen in iron deficiency anemia that TIBC is increased. Next one is transferrin saturation, which is only 10 to 20% in anemia of chronic disease, and it is very high, that is 30 to 80% in thalassemia and sideroblastic anemia. Next one is serum ferritin. Serum ferritin is again increased here in chronic disease anemia, that is 30 to 200 microgram per liter, and in thalassemia and sideroblastic anemia it is 50 to 300 microgram per liter. I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and you can get all the details in the blog given in the description below. Thank you.